Today we're playing...
BeamNG Drive.
Alright, I had to turn down the game volume. It's getting a bit loud. Wait, do I have to slow down here? Wait, what? Wait, what happened to my... What? When did that happen? When? Is it glitched? What the heck? I have to go get another trailer. Wait, is it because of these hype? It's because of my trailer? No, my trailer will fit. Is this the turning lane? Okay, yeah. Gotta pull off the side of the road. I can't see because my mirror is broken. There we go. There's where I could pull off. Should I get the same trailer? Maybe something different. Maybe I'll go with one of these. These look fun. Diesel, yeah, diesel. Let's see if I can line this up. There we go. Let's see how this one goes. Okay, well. Oh, okay. Bro, we're back here now. Ugh. Let's see how far we can go without breaking anything. And following all the road rules. So many turns. Even is this place like a trucking depot? You know, I'm gonna deliver my trailer here. Yeah. New trailer. Peace.